So I'm here on my phone on Instagram and I'm looking at Kylie Jenner's page and I noticed she dropped a new line. So I go look at it and I'm like, ooh, the prices. Listen, I'm not trying to knock anyone's hustle or grind, but I can literally make this set for like $5. Hi, my name is Hadassah and I have a passion for fashion. So I took a trip to Hobby Lobby. I also realized that on my way to Hobby Lobby, they closed at 8. Made it just in time. And their fabric was on sale. I got it in this red color because I do not like the colors that she has for it. Okay, all you're gonna need for this project is 4-way stretch fabric and matching thread. You'll need a pair of shorts that you wear that fit you good because you can use these as a template. To make this as easy as possible, you're going to want to fold your shorts in half and have the crotch the opposite direction of your fold, and you don't have to make as many seams and sews. These shorts are a little more booty short than the shorts in her collection, so I'm going to add a little length at the bottom and a little bit of length at the top. Then we can add the waistband and cut out 2 of these. Now that both of your short pieces are cut out, we need to cut out the waistband because she has a fold over waistband and it's really simple. You literally just need it to fit around your waist. So the main thing is you need it thick enough to where you can fold it over like this on your waist with enough room for a seam allowance to fold over the edges, because even though it won't fray, hers are folded over in it, so I want to make it as close of a replica as possible. Now we have the waistband, the shorts to assemble. I have to rethread my sewing machine real quick and set it up. BRB. It is gonna hate. Okay, to connect the shorts, the 2 little J shapes on the side, you're gonna sew both of them. If you're using a regular machine, use the widest zigzag you have because it's a 4-way stretch fabric. If you have a double needle, use that. Now that you've sewed both of the J's, what you're gonna do is you just open it up to where the seams are in the middle, because now all you have to do is sew the crotch. Boom, you got basic shorts. Now, let's try them on to see what we need to do for them to fit properly. These are the shorts so far. We're going to clean them up. We got to trim the waistband because she has one that folds over, and then we will sew the edges. In order to seal up the bottom leg holes, I'm going to fold the fabric over twice. I'm going to do about 1/2 inch. If you have any sort of a butt, you're going to leave the back longer, but we're going to trim off some of the front of this so that it's like a diagonal. I'm just gonna put a little pin because this is where the waistband will go. I'm gonna open up the shorts where both the pant legs are together and like the crotch is tucked in. Because now that we have this mark, we're gonna cut a little bit of a diagonal. Okay, so you're gonna want to do this without clothes on so then it fits properly, but I'm gonna demonstrate with the dress on. For the waistband, you're just gonna fold a long strip of fabric in half. And you're gonna put it around your waist. You're gonna mark or pin the little piece. Now that you know how long your waistband needs to be, you're just gonna sew a straight line down with them folded in half. The shorts have the little V shape because we like it a little lower in the front, but a big booty girls. Okay, we have our waistband. Okay, in order for the waistband to look really clean and nice when you're folded over, you're gonna want to sew the wrong side to good side of the waistband. I'm gonna pin those together. We're gonna do a few little pins around. You're gonna want to tuck it into the shorts. Make sure that you're pinning all the layers. Now that all your waistband is pinned on, you're going to want to use a zigzag stitch to attach it so then it stays stretchy in the waistband. You're gonna wanna pull it as you sew it, so then the waistband matches up with the shorts. Okay, so we sewed it. Now, all you have to do is fold the waistband down. Look at that. Okay, let's make the top. You're literally just going to make a giant tube. So you're literally gonna take this giant tube and you're just gonna sew a straight line. Just go ahead and trim your excess off. Turn it the right way. Now that your tube is done, make sure that you put the seam in the middle so then it's like this. You're gonna wrap it around you to see what size you need. Okay, this is the part that you really need to pay attention to. So this is your tube. Your seam is in the middle. All you want to do, you just want half of it like this. You fold the left side over and the right side under. I usually put a pin because obviously it'd be bigger than this. Okay. Now that you have sandwiched all your layers, we're just gonna sew straight across here. Trim off your excess. And your top is literally done. Let's put it on. If I wasn't filming, this would have literally taken me like 5 minutes because it's such an easy sew. You're telling me for $5? Shut up. Oh, I'm gonna have my husband give me a better angle. I'm so proud of myself. I think it's a 10 out of 10. Okay, as always, stay fabulous.